Google Search Console helps you measure, fix, and improve your site performance and appearance on the Google search result page, so which is called the SERPs. So Google Search Console is an important tool for any content creator, website owner, or anybody at all that's willing to have a website to showcase whatever product that they have to sell. So for you to set up Google Search Console, you can do two things, which is this first aspect I'm going to show you, and in another video I'm going to show you how you can use plugins to set up Google Search Console if you are using WordPress for website development. So what you need to do first is to head on to your Google search, or if you are using Microsoft Bing just like me, you search for Search Console. So, and when you search on the search pane, it's going to show you Google Search Console just like this. So what we need to do next is to click on the first link here, which says Google Search Console. So I'm going to click on this, and it will take me to the page of Google Search Console. So this is how the Google Search Console page, the home page, this is how it looks like. So we're going to click on Start Now. So it will prompt us to select a Google account. So if you don't have a Google account, you need to create a Gmail account. So the moment you do that, you can be able to sign up for Google Search Console. So I'm going to select this Gmail account here, and I'll input my password. So automatically my password is being remembered. So I'll click on Next. Okay, so I'll click on Not Now for this. So if yours is not showing like this, you should just continue. So you're going to see a pop-up like this, welcoming you to Google Search Console and asking you to start by selecting a property type. So we're going to use the domain, which is the first property type here. What you need to do is, if you don't have a domain, you need to get a domain registered, and you need to have your DNS connected from the Google Search Console to DNS record. So for you to do this, if you don't have a domain already registered, you can head on to Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the cheapest hosting providers on the internet. If you love to register for Hostinger or any other hosting company, but I love Hostinger because they are affordable and they have a very good hosting service that they can provide for you. If you are starting out, you can head on to Hostinger and get your domains hosting registered on their website. I personally use Hostinger because of their service and how they provide their customer support. They are very, very good in terms of that, and they help you shoot any problem that you're having with your hosting account. So you can see they start at $2.99 per month, and they give you 2 months free to use even after you've purchased a hosting with them. So you also get a free domain and a free website migration, which means that if you have used their service and maybe you want to upgrade to another hosting provider, you can migrate your website documents or your files from Hostinger to any hosting provider for absolutely free. And they also provide a very good customer support, just like I said. So I'll be leaving a link in the description, the first link in the description, for you to get 20% discount from Hostinger account. So if you use my referral link, you are going to get 20% discount. So they are very, very affordable, and I use them for my clients and also for my own websites. So they also provide a business service, like they provide a business plan and also a cloud plan. If you are just starting out and you want to host maybe your blog or something like that, you can start with premium service. They are still good. You can use the premium service. You can see it starts at $2.99 per month. So you don't have a domain and a hosting, it's from Hostinger. So now what you need to do is to put in your domain here, and then you get a DNS record. So I'll be doing that now for you to see practically. So I have a domain that is connected to hosting on Hostinger. So you can see I manage 3 websites here. So but the first one is not active, and these 2 are active actually. So now what you need to do is, if you are already having a website and a domain and you want to connect your Google Search Console account to the domain, it's a very, very simple thing to do. Now I'm going to click on this domain that you see here, this craftyentertainment.co.uk. So I'm going to click on manage for this domain here. Okay, so under this domain here that is active, so I'm going to click on DNS/name servers. What I want to do is to get the text record. So I'm going to get the text record from Google Search Console and then connect that to the DNS record here. So I'm going to add that and start monitoring what is happening behind the scene for this website. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have already created a Google Search Console account that I have connected a website for daily photography. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to continue from the Google Search Console account. So for you, if you're just starting out and you don't have a Google Search Console account, you need to adopt the domain here and then you continue with that domain. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go into a real Google Console account that I have to manage my client's website so that we can do that on that account. So I'll head on back to that account and I'll go to the Google Search Console account here. So you can see that I already have daily photography added up as a property. So I'm going to create a new property to add up Crafty Entertainment. This is Crafty Entertainment, so I've not verified it. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to verify this website. So if you want to add a new website to an existing Google Search Console account, you need to click on this add property, add a website, and proceed to the verification process. So I'm going to click on this account here. Okay, so I'll copy text record here from Google Search Console and connect it to DNS record that we have on Hostinger. Copy. So I'll now head on to Hostinger. To connect this now, I simply need to select the type of record that I want to connect here. So I'll now click on the drop down and scroll to TXT because it's a text record. So you can see select record type TXT, which is recommended. So we've copied that. Now we are going to select TXT here by scrolling to look for TXT, and the value that we copied from the Google Search Console account, we're going to add that here. I'll right click and paste. So this is the text record. So every other field like the name, the @ you're going to leave it like that, and the TTL, so which is showing 14400, so I'm going to leave that like that. So we're going to click on add record. So I'll click on add record. So you can see DNS record created successfully. So this is the record is going to show here as TXT. So this is the record showing from Google Search Console. So I'll go back to Search Console and click on verify. So it's going to verify. It will take some minutes. It will verify and then we can proceed. So you can see ownership verified. So I click on go to property or done. So I'll click on go to property so that we can view what is happening behind the scene of the website. So you can see currently now it is going to fetch the data and going to show like it's going to index the pages of the website and show different experiences and any enhancement that it wants us to do. It's going to fetch the data and then pop it up here for us, just like the way daily photography is showing here, right? So that is how to connect Google Search Console to our account. So now if you don't know how to do that, it is a very, very simple process, and you have seen how I connect that for you here. So if you follow through this step-by-step process, you can successfully connect your Google Search Console with your website. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel and follow us for more tips and tricks on how to do SEO for your website, digital marketing, and also learn how to design your own website, guys. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next